We did a poll on social media to find out which logo we should create for a motor servicing company, and this one won, but we'll quickly have a look at the others as well because they're fairly easy to create using just your graphics and your shapes. Let's jump in and do this. You're going to create a blank logo canvas, and you're going to go to your elements and you're going to search for headlights, and you're going to select for graphics, and you're going to scroll down until you find the headlights that you would like to use. I liked this one. You just click on it once and you change color, you make it white so that you're able to now adjust your design. So you Control C to copy so that you have the exact same on the other side. You just flip it like that and it's nicely aligned. You press L for line and then you reduce your line size to a 2 so that you can start putting the lines in for your design. You copy the line and you duplicate and you carry on like that, and tweaking it until you are happy. Once you're done aligning your lines to your headlights, you then add text. You press T for text, and then you add the name of the company. We've used the box font, so you could go and search for box, and then you change the name to the company that you're designing for. Change color to red, align it, and then you're gonna go to your elements and you're gonna go to your shapes, lines and shapes, and then you just add another line, and then you increase the size of the line to be exactly as on the headlight, and you would like to have the rounded end points, and then you increase the size just like that until you get the exact size that you like, and then you change color to yellow or orange and you duplicate this. Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac, and you have the blinker. This would be a blinker, hey. And last thing that you would do is you would add your text so that you have a slogan in the middle of your design, the company slogan. And that is how you create a service motor design. So if you wanted to achieve the spanner, you could just duplicate this design by pressing duplicate over there, and then you then tweak it a bit to suit whatever kind of design that you like. So for example, you could have your round shape like that, and then change this color of your round shape to be black. You could send it to backward, change color to black, and then add text. Copy that and have a nice big M and move that M to the middle of your design like that. And you could add another extra line over there so that it doesn't look like a gaping at another one, so that it's over there. Awesome. And then we bring our M in front and it looks like that. And we go to elements and we search for spanner. I hope it's a spanner. I searched for spanner and I could find one like this one. You click on it once and you change color, you make it white, and then you tweak it to suit your design. You could have something like this as a design. You can download it and go to Photopea and change it to a 3D. This was just an inspiration post or inspiration video to get your juices going when you're busy creating. It's nobody's logo. I'm just being your muse. Thank you for joining me today. I will see you on the next video.